Hey, Catalina, baby! It's me, Carl Johnson. Hey, baby, I'm sorry. We got off on the wrong foot. I had a rough time, baby. You know, maybe I was a little harsh. Please forgive me. Come on, baby. Open up the door. Shit. Is she here? I don't see nothing. Come on, baby. Don't be mad. Baby, please. Baby, without you, there is no Carl Johnson. Damn, man. Shit. Now where is this stupid bitch?
Here, cabrón!
Shit.
Who's the bitch now, eh?
Oh, baby. I'm so sorry, baby.
What was that?
You so right. Please forgive me, baby. Just don't fucking shoot me, please!
Do you think you're sorry? Huh? How you going to prove you're sorry?
Come on now, baby. Come on. I'm gonna play with you so rough, baby.
Keep talking!
Yeah. And I'll take you to rob banks and shit.
Oh?
And, you know, I'll let you kill anyone you want to kill.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna treat you right, baby. Shit. Just, come on. Just please don't shoot
Carl,
me.
I think I love you.
Shit, that's great. Cool. Yeah, fantastic. Shit, all that, you wanna go rob some shit, baby? Hey, what we got left?
Are you stupid? Did you forget already? The gas station in Dillimore, the bank in Palomino Creek, or the betting shop in Montgomery.
Okay, well this time we gonna do it real chill. No crazy psycho shit, baby.
Speak for yourself, soft boy. Today, I feel like killing all the men I meet.
Oh, baby.
Don't worry, I make an exception for some of the men in my life. Now drive faster! Oh, Carl, I like that a lot. I hope you drive better this time around.
You ever driven a quad? It ain't easy. Especially
Carl,
when you
you
got a screaming
crazy.
bitch
I
on the
love
back
you.
shooting past your ear.
I like it when you angry at me, Carl. I will try to anger you more often.
Now that, I'm looking forward to. What you been drinking? Get on. That's the best you got?
You better let me out of here.
Run away, bitch!
You're on crowd control, so don't take any shit.
Yes'm, Miss Catalina, miss. Don't even think about doing anything, motherfucker!
Hand over every last dollar! Now, bitch! I'm going to empty the safe. Keep these idiots covered.
All right, you heard the lady. No heroic shit. You want this thing ugly? Oh, shit!
Shit! I give you one simple job! Idiota!
Stay there.
Attention all units. Some psychos are robbing the bank in Palomino Creek.
Shit! I just bought another donut. Don't criminals have any consideration?
We can collect that bribe later. Might as well go and take a look. We know you're in there. The game's up. Come on out. Come out, real peaceable like.
Smash the ATMs and get as much gas as possible.
Come on,
Give
man,
up!
let's do
You're
this.
surrounded!
We haven't much time.
This one's got a gun! I ain't get behind you, friend.
Hit me, bitch. So
Better
you
take
gonna
the back
hit me?
door. Follow me. Out the fucking way. Cops, take cover.
You messed with a maniac.
Thought you might try the back way. We were waiting for you.
Look out, Carl.
Hey, jump back!
You haven't spoken yet?
Give up! You're surrounded!
Look out, Carl.
Suspect is escaping. Repeat, escaping. This is Heli to Blue. We're about to take the suspect down.
Keep going.
Yo, stop or we will kill you.
You two, free!
Hey, I'm a bad dude already.
Grab a bike and follow me. Do you think you can keep up with a real woman? What's keeping you? Are you afraid of speed, Carl? Stop getting lost!
You really want me to take you in?
Take me home, Carl!
Okay, look. We gotta talk about something.
What? What do I have to say to you?
You're a great girl and all, but you gotta calm down. I know some cold-blooded cats wouldn't act like you.
Oh, you get given a lioness and you want a pussycat? Whip.
No, I just won't.
You know why I act like this?
No.
I'm in love, Carl. A woman's heart is a tempestuous place, and you will break my heart. Sometimes I want to kill us both.
Please, don't do that. Just relax a little.
Come on, Carl, move it! See you soon, handsome. Next time, we play really rough.
Yeah, that's cool, but we can also play for some real money. I got some money to, well, it's a long story, but I need some serious paper fast.
You come and see me again soon. We rob a real bank.
Hey, Holmes, I've been busy.
Caesar, what's up?
I can smell Natchez Arcside from a mile off. Racing, my friend. Cars, not beautiful cars, but fast, man, fast.
What are you talking about?
Street racers from San Fierro. They meet out here to tear up the blacktop. No chota choppers. You want to make some money?
Does the Pope shit in the woods?
Why you keep asking me that, Holmes? I told you, I don't know. What the Holiness does his business is his business. Just get a fast car and meet me in Kendall just south of Montgomery. See you, man.